To check if your Samsung Galaxy A57 is fake or original, let me show you 3 tips how you can do this. The first one, go into the phone dialer and input that code. Now you should find your IMEI number, EID number and the serial number. And now what you have to do, you have to just grab your original box and compare. If you got the same IMEI numbers, serial number and the EID number, it means that in the 99% your phone is actually authentic. This is the first tip, but we can find 2 additional tips. So what you can also do, we can open this secret diagnostic menu because the Samsung includes this tool in the original phone, but fakes rarely replicate. So in the fake you cannot actually connect into this one. Now I've got some connection problem, but if you have the same, it doesn't mean that you get a problem with your phone, because you can still find it by going to the settings, but that was actually the fastest way. So how we can find it? Basically we have to go for device care settings. Now we have to go for diagnostics, and here you should find this tool. Wait for the loading screen for the first. With these 3 presets, and we are looking for the phone diagnostics. Here we can just literally find everything. We can test every hardware, like for example the NFC, touchscreen or mobile network, and in the fake one you cannot actually find it. But what you can also do, well, quickly check this by going into the Galaxy Store and download that Samsung Members application. Fake devices will often fail to log into this, so we have to go for the search, Samsung Members. If it's available and you cannot simply download it, open and then even log in, it means that everything is fine with your phone. Just like this. Here we can find the Samsung Members, and right now we can just simply log in or contact support, and this is the easy way to confirm that this phone is original.